Hi guys, welcome back Free Automation Learning channel and my name is Chirag. So today we are going to discuss about assertion as it is a continuous video from my previous video, and guys who do not watch my previous video, please go and watch, because in that video we already discussed about hard assertion, and in this video I am going to show you about soft assertion, and one point also I am going to discuss about the difference between hard and soft assert, or you can say assertion, because this point could be asked by the interviewer. What are the difference between hard and soft? So I'm just going to discuss this point also. So as you can see that I will just share my experience with you while creating a video, what the interviewer will ask and what would be the important, and at what point you need to stress much, because you can see that to do automation the experience matters, right? So if you just write the code and you write the code and you work in live project and you have faced any challenge, so your confidence will build up, right? But at that condition where you are starting and you do not have enough knowledge, so at that point it is necessary that someone will explain you or guide you what are the important point, what should be asked by interviewer, in what point you should focus. So I am just try to explain all those points, and I told you that this is important point, this could be asked by the interviewer. So hopefully you like and you note down that points, and you will or you would work on that point. So at this tutorial, soft and hard assertion is the difference between in this would be important, right? So my previous video I just show you about the hard assertion, and in this video I am going to show you a soft assertion. Just before we will move to code level, I just wanted to explain that soft assertion is like that. In hard assertion, that if any test step would fail, right, my test case would terminate at that point. And we use hard assertion when we need to validate some important validation, right? And if we need to validate means I just want to validate whether first username text is displayed properly or not, right? So we just write a soft assertion, because these are UI feature, right? And if I need to validate whether first field is present or not, so it is a high priority bug, because first username text field should be present on the form. So at that time we use hard assertion, right? So hopefully you understand the difference between hard and soft assertion, and scenario where we should use hard assertion and where we should use soft assertion, right? So let me just go and open Eclipse and create a new tutorial. This would be a tutorial 13. So guys, as you can see that we will moving in the way to build a framework. So I'm just going to start to build a framework, then we will move for one viewer has asked me to create a video regarding BBD framework, so we will discuss about a Cucumber, and I also discussed about a CI tool Jenkins, how we can integrate our Selenium and APM code and run through Jenkins. And after that we will also discuss about Anj Maven tool. So I'm just going to create so many videos, so please stick with me and If you do not subscribe my channel, please go and ahead to subscribe it. And if you like my video, please like, and if you like my work, please comment me and subscribe my channel, right? So this test script contain soft assertion. So why I'm writing? Because one of my viewer told me that he faced some difficulty to see that whether this tutorial is for about which topic. So I'm just write down the topic about that. This tutorial 13 would be related with a soft assertion, and if you go, I will see that let me open here YouTube, right? And I wanted to discuss or show you one more thing. So let me open. And there would be. So I'm just open my channel and wanted to show you one more thing about our videos. So guys, you can see that this is about a tutorial 10, right? So if you can see my code, there would be a tutorial 10, and you can just correlate between tutorial 10 that this video is related about how to pass parameter through testng file, right? So this way you can also correlate these two tutorials. And now I'm just trying to write about this code is written for which topic. So hopefully you do not get much difficulty to know about. So this is what I wanted to show you, and now we will move ahead to understand about a soft assertion, right? So let me create one method, public void verify validation message. So this would be my test case, and here I need to pass message 1, and suppose there would be a message 2, 3, 4, 5 messages. 2, 3, 4, 5, and for soft assertion we should create a object for soft assertion as soft soft. So there would be, you can see there would be a soft assert is a class which is provided by testng, and I will create an object of soft assert is equal to new soft assert. And if you can see that I would write soft assert and put comma, so you can see there would be a same methods which is provided by a assert class, and same methods are provided by soft assert class. the difference is that if this step is get failed, right, my test script would not terminate it, right? So let me write this actual and expected. Actual is A, expected is A. What I'm doing, I'm just putting the validation over here so you can easily understand. So what I did, I just changed the B over here and C over here. So what I did that after that, what I did, I just changed the message for two message 3. I changed expected A and B. This is the difference, so it would fail because we are verifying equals. And for the message 5, I also change A and C, so this step would be failed, right? So now I have to call soft assert dot all assert at where we need to validate or we need to assert. At that point we need to just put assert all, right? So what it does meaning, it just comes here and started from here and goes comes from up to down and come here, right? Suppose it is failed at message 3 and it would fail about at message 5. At that time we just need to validate whether my this 5 message or my this 5 assert has fail value or not. If it has fail value, it just fail my test case, right? If it does not have fail value, it does not fail my test script. But when you use soft assert, you should use this assert all. It just validate whether this soft assert has any failure or not. It is very important. So when you use soft assert, please use assert all, right? So let me run this method. Before running this, I put @test and let me run this method. You can see my all 5 messages has been run successfully, right? But it got failed. Why it is failed? Because expected B but found A, expected C but found A, right? So this is the two value which I have changed manually. If you click on this, you can find that here it has been failed, right? Suppose I do not commit this, but now this test case has been passed. Why? Because I do not put or verify whether any soft assert has any failure or not, right? So this method is necessary when we are using soft assert. So this about all the soft assert. Suppose here I need to use hardcode assert, so you can easily let me call assert class dot hardcode assert and write A and B. At this condition, you can notice that my message 1 will print, my message 2 will print, my message 3 will, but at this condition it got failed because A and B does not match. So my message 4 and 5 does not execute. but if we use soft assert, then this all message would execute, and when we put this assert all, at that time it got failed, right? So let me run this test case and would see what will be the output. So you can say message 1 2 3 has been run successfully, but at that time, after that, assertion error has come, and it say that expected B but found A, and you can see that message 4 and 5 does not run because here we use hard-coded assertion. So guys, for this soft and hard-coded assertion, there is only for these things. And if you have any query, please write a mail to me, and in this tutorial or in this video I explained you what is the difference between hard and soft assert and how we can use soft assertion in Selenium 3, right? So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please press like button. Bye bye, take care.